You're famous on YouTube, right?
Oh. You know what? It's like working with 7 o'clock to the bottom of the afternoon break.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting on my ass.
Yahoo! Hello. Hey. Wait, the camera is stay still.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and members of Eastern Miles. This is your cabin manager speaking.
Okay.
Welcome to China Eastern, a member of SkyTeam Alliance. This flight is bound for Shanghai.
He has to open his suitcase because he doesn't know if he packed his shoes or not. But it's good because he found it. Let's go, you scrub. Jokes, jokes. Oh my god, milk tea.
What do you want?
I want everything. No, jokes. Oh, Shanghai for the outside. Okay. Socks, it is. You can open things. I'm opening socks for you because you forgot it. How do you? Socks! What are those? What are those? It's like raining outside. There's heaps of traffic all there. What's our hotel called?
Qube.
Qube.
That's an insurance brand, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Qube. So what are we gonna do tonight?
Let's just check in first.
So get changed.
Wash up and then lay down for a bit and then go out. Yeah. Yeah, we have to eat, drink, and then maybe buy something like stupid. Yeah, souvenirs.
Yeah, true.
I'll buy you drink.
So Mac's is over there. We got Starbucks right there, and the Qube Hotel is our hotel. Nice. Last minute hotels. is our room number. Pretty cozy actually. Okay, bring the chin in now. Go for now. What does it say? Do not disturb, cleaning, please. That's a hotel card. And then the light switches. The bathroom is on the left. So we're in a cab, and the cab driver is own face. Ingo's on his own face. I think it's like glow or something. Yeah. Do you see that? And he's driving at the same time.
This is.
The clear one's mine. Thank you very much. This is you. So this is the wound, but the lights are not on, so it's pretty dull. You can't really see anything. Disappointed. So we're back at the hotel room now. It's pretty cold outside, and I didn't think it would be this cold, and I didn't pack enough warm clothes for this cold weather. Anyways, what did we do today? We went to Nanjing Nanjing Road, yeah? Was it called Nanjing Road or Nanjing Street?
Nanjing Road.
Nanjing Road, and it was kind of a letdown because everything was closed, there was no one around. But I think it's like because it was nighttime and it was raining, so maybe no one was around. The only thing that was open was 24/7 fast food stops like Macca's, KFC, Pizza Hut, and then lucky, what's it called again? Muniso was open, so we could buy an umbrella. And then we found this restaurant. Like I kind of wanted authentic Shanghainese food, but it wasn't authentic. All we had was dumplings and rice dish, and he didn't let me take a photo of the menu. I just don't know what we were eating, and I don't know, whatever. But yeah, we ended up going to the bun and took some photos after. It was nice, but there was no lights showing, so that was a letdown. But other than that, we did that, and then we came back. So now we're just going to call it a night, sleep, and then wake up in the morning so that we can have breakfast here at the hotel, and then fly off to our next destination at Taiwan. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!